Your organization today is facing incredible number of challenges: cybersecurity, remote work, finding and keeping talent. Your IT management is under severe review. Yet our model is still break fix, firefighting, and that leaves everyone frustrated. Every hour lost to tickets and problems is more and more a challenge. What can we do about this? What are the solutions for this kind of complexity? And yes, do we need Albert Einstein to fix this? No. There are ways to do better. Most managed service providers focus on the transactional, the reactive, but the better ones are more strategic, looking for root causes, persistent problems that they can avoid by being more proactive, and being more than just transactional. The best MSPs are more strategic and offer a variety of tools to help you in this, with real-time data tracking and an analysis that helps your employees feel more productive, happier, more likely to stay, and that is what we can bring with MainsPring. Give us a chance to show you how we can.